A feature you guys are sleeping on the MPC is probability. Alright, so what probability does, it'll randomly play or not play a sound. Now this will give you like a constantly morphing drum track or synth line or bass line, or makes it sound a little bit more human. Alright, so how you use it is you go here and highlight your events like I did here. Then you go down here, probability. So you can set this to anything you want, but I like to keep mine somewhere in the high 90s or whatever, because I find then probability just drops things in and out too much. But you got to find your own setting. Sounds pretty good. So I'm going to play this and y'all going to hear it. What you're going to be listening for is that you're going to hear like the hi-hat just randomly drop out, a snare not drop out, or kick not play. You'll hear it. Alright, so drop the hi-hat out. Your drum track consistently morphs. It's almost like you have a long extended drum track. Look, so you're just dropping things out. It'll drop a snare out, drop a kick out, drop a hi-hat out. Whatever you tell it, whatever probability you set. See it? It's dropping things out. So it sounds like I'm using a mute, right? But I'm not. Alright, so that's probability. Guys, check that out. Use it. This is Masada. I'm out. Peace.